Morning everyone, welcome back to another new video. Today we are going to be doing the 24-hour handcuff challenge with my brother. It's going to be so lit, so let's just get right to it. Oh, it is currently 8:22. I really hope my brother is still sleeping so I can just go in his bed and cuff him. Alright, so let's put it on me first. That looks good. Alright, I got him on. So now let's go get Carter and we'll be side by side handcuffed for the rest of the day, 24 hours. Alright guys, let's do this. Alright guys, Carter had to use the bathroom, so he's in there right now. And yep, I'm out here. 24-hour handcuff challenge. This is not gonna be fun. Oh, and time for breakfast.
That's not good.
Breakfast time.
Well, what do you want?
I don't know. What do you want?
What?
Cheerios. Oh, all right. Come on. I'll sit here. Get the milk. Get the milk. I might need Cam to help me, my other brother to help me film today, so it's kind of like awkward right now. You can, spoons. Let's eat. Hurry up, pour your cereal. Hey. Alright guys, we couldn't find anything else to do, so we're literally just chilling here, watching TV with handcuffs. Why did I do this? Guys, we just finished the game. Cameron, my little brother, won. Congratulations, Cam. Alright guys, we had a crazy idea. We want to go on the trampoline, so I guess we're just gonna do it with these. It's gonna be hard, but let's go. Oh! Yeah. Ah! Ah! Dude, my hand is I can't feel my hand. Oh my. Hey guys, I just took a shower. He had to stand out there with the handcuffs the whole time, so that's why my hair is a little spiky. I'll fix it, but we are eating lunch now. And yeah, so far this challenge is going okay, but I'll catch up with you in a minute. Guys, so we are going to try and play a video game while handcuffed. So let's see how this turns out. Alright guys, we're gonna try this. Hopefully this works.
Oh, I'll be beat. Now you gonna be beat.
I would show you the game, but I can't because it's copyright.
I hate that one.
Sorry about my hair again. All right.
Go. It's not good with the volume on the off.
Stop moving your hand.
Yes.
Oh! 8th place. I am in 8th place. And I'm the best at this game.
I'm in 7th. And I'm the best.
No, you're not. I am. I had a shield on too.
Yeah, but then it went off. Ew. I'm only in third place. Ouch.
Alright, guys. It is almost time to go to bed. This kid already brushed his teeth in his bathroom. Sorry about my hair, by the way. I'm brushing my teeth now. We are about to go to bed. All three of us. My little brother Cameron, who is also filming right now,
Hello.
wanted to sleep with us and do the handcuff challenge.
Hey.
So
with
he brought,
this guy handcuffed to me.
Alright. And so he brought his plastic handcuffs in, and he's going to be handcuffed with us in the bed too. Anyway. Alright guys, we are totally handcuffed right now. Police handcuffs. The keys are gone. Cameron has the keys over there somewhere. Like, he's not going to give them to us. Anyway, we are so tired. We're about to fall asleep. Again, sorry about the hair. Alright guys, without further ado, we'll see you in the morning. Hey guys, we made it through the night. That was kind of hard, but like, I didn't get that much sleep, but like I got sleep, so we did it. We're good. Hey guys, congrats to us. We did it. 25 hours. We actually slept over our time, but that's alright. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Cameron, you need to turn the volume off.
Why?
Because it's copyright. I didn't know. I forgot.
I say you in 8.
Yeah, dude, I'm not even trying to. I'm just trying to get this good video content, you know?
Vroom vroom race car. Bye bye Colin.
Now you're in 7th. 7th place. Yeah, cut the cameras.
Oh.